and 2 in class already, so I'm going to go ahead and do number 3 and 4. So first thing I want you to do on tonight's homework is to box the variable, in this case f, and write the word last on there so you know to do that last. Okay. So here you see an add, a negative 5.
Yeah.
So we see add negative 5.
Oh yeah.
This negative 5 there. We see the add, negative 5, and then we see this division right here. If I get rid of this, you see this division right there. Okay, so, and divide, you see divide. So to make that negative 5 equals to 0, we need to do add. We're going to have to subtract. In order to subtract, it has to be a plus 5. Okay? And then do the opposite of divide is multiply. Okay? Opposite. So we got negative 5 plus f over 8 equals to 2. Remember, we box this and do it last. So that negative 5 needs to equal to 0, so you add 5 to both sides. Okay? Okay, that gives you 0. That's 7. You have f over 8 equals, f over 8 equals to 7. So you see divide, you multiply by 8, cross it out. F is equal to 56. Okay? Problem number 4. Box the variable, f in this case again, and put last. Okay? So this is again a minus 24. It's a negative. If you see negative 24 and you see multiply,
Like you could.
so you have to divide here. If you see multiply, you do divide, opposite operation. Okay? So you see 24, so you do plus 24, okay? To make equal to 0. Solve the problem. Okay, negative 24 plus 5f equals to 60. So you need to remember to do the f last, this last, add 24, add 24, gives you 5f equals to 84. Divide by 5, divide by 5. Okay, 84 divided by 5 goes in. Okay, so if you don't know how to do long division, if you do, please do so. I'm going to show you calculator way. 84 divided by 5, you get 16.8. We don't want 0.8, we put remainder. Okay, so 16 times 5 is equal to 80. So here we get our remainder of 4. Okay, so f equals to 16 remainder 4 all over the denominator of 5. Okay,
Oh no, actually,
number
I
5.
do that.
Box the variable. We see a negative 34 and we see multiply. So we're going to end up dividing. Okay, so here we're going to add 34. Do the opposite of. So you see negative 34, so you do positive 34. You see multiply. This is multiply, so you do divide. This is going to be last. So you get a negative Got 45 equals to negative 34 minus 4v. Add 34, add 34. Gives you 79 equals to, this leaves you a negative 4v. Divide by 4. Divide by 4. Okay, 79 divided by 4. Okay, you get 79 divided by 4 is 19.75. So instead of point, we use remainder. Multiply these two. 19 times 4 equals to 76. So your remainder is 3. So your answer is 19 with a remainder of 3 over a denominator 4. This is 4. Okay, last problem. T is last. We see a negative 5, a minus 5, so we add 5. We see divide. This line right here is divide. We do multiply. Okay, remember that this negative goes to here. The t is by itself, that's why. So we get negative t over 7 minus 5 equals to 21. Add 5. Negative t over 7 equals to 26. Calculator, 26 times 7. No, my calculator's wrong. 26 times 7. Okay. You see divide right here. You multiply negative 7. T equals to negative 182. Remember that a negative and a positive number equals to a negative. Okay, that is your answer right here.